Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test in the Poco F3 GT device by using the high performance mode after the recent Miui 12.5.7 update. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to play the game at 90 FPS gameplay. You can clearly see here. And let me show you the settings option as well, where I did enable the high performance mode option in the battery option, as you can see. So using this high performance mode, let's see what will happen with overall temperatures while gaming. So right now it's pretty low temperatures, only 27 degrees Celsius. But after some time, what can be the temperatures in this phone? So these are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video after playing for some time. And let me just slightly increase the brightness, and now you should be able to hear the volume as well. And I'm trying to use the gaming triggers during this process of demonstration. Not only that, I did install a new type of game turbo. As you can see, new type of game turbo which I did install at this moment in this phone. So using this kind of new type of game turbo, let's see what will happen with overall FPS in this Poco F3 GT. Right now we are getting about 88 FPS, not bad. 88 it's maintaining. So right now, having this kind of big FPS meter sometimes is kind of really disturbing, friends. I wish they could have included a small kind of FPS meter where the Realme has been upgraded recently. That will be really helpful. So right now I'm getting 89 and 90 FPS, not bad. And 90 FPS, it's making pretty good overall. So 89 and 90 FPS, it's maintaining pretty good, no problem. And definitely I'll ready to do the FPS drop test as well after some time. So then we'll be able to understand, and you can see the gaming triggers as well, they are working perfectly alright. Gaming triggers, nothing much major problems. So now let me do the normal drop test in the boot camp. Let's see how is the boot camp drop test gonna be there. So doing this process of demonstration. So this is by using the high performance mode, friends, and let's check the temperature, what is happening. So till now I did play about kind of close to 5 minutes of time. From 27 degrees it did increase up to 33 degrees just within, I think, close to 4 to 5 minutes of time. And let's start playing. Let's continue the play. Let's see the FPS drop test in the boot camp. So the FPS will be maintained using the high performance mode during this process of testing, and by default we did not get any kind of 90 FPS update in this device. By default you need to use a config file, but using config file your account may get banned, so you need to remember those things. That's the reason I was unable to share those kind of config files with you all, because again if I try to share the config file again, if your account get banned again, I will be getting blamed. That's the reason. Mostly I would not recommend you to use this kind of config files anyway. So only for the demonstration purpose, to see the performance of this phone only, I'm trying to use this kind of config files in this device, in the Poco F3 GT. Right now I did see some kind of frame drops exactly just now, little bit. So let's see friends, how is the FPS drop test going to be there in the bootcamp after some time. So let's try to focus on the FPS, how much it's showing right now. Exactly at this point, it's showing I think close to 89 86 FPS. So 89, 87 it's maintaining, 88. 84, 68 it dropped. So the lowest FPS is a 64 FPS. We did see the lowest value. So far in this kind of demonstration, 68 is the lowest value for the first time FPS drop test. So well friends, it was able to maintain really good FPS, nothing much major problems. It's maintaining about 90 FPS right now. And gaming trigger is also working perfectly alright. As you can see friends, overall 89 FPS. And let's see the temperatures, what is happening with the temperatures, how much the temperatures increased during this process. It increased to 36 degrees Celsius friends right now after playing for about close to 7 minutes of time, 7 or 8 minutes of time, 36 degrees Celsius. So all friends, the phone was able to maintain pretty good FPS, nothing much major problems with the FPS drops. Poco F3 GT. And even the gaming triggers is working fantastic friends. And one more thing, one side of the gaming trigger will be really good, another side is still it's not working. I mean it's working, but you don't get that kind of sound, click kind of sound, you won't be able to get it. But let me try to normally do the team deathmatch and then I'll try to end up this video. And anyway, I just want to show you the temperatures, what's happening with the high performance mode usage in this device. And 37 degrees it increased, from starting from 27 it went to 37 degrees friends. So the temperature is increasing slightly, little by little, in the Poco F3 GT during this process of testing, which you can definitely see here. And this is a complete test using only the high performance mode. Even in the game turbo, new type of game turbo, there is performance mode enabled as well. As you can see in the new type of game turbo, even I did enable this performance mode. So definitely this is going to put a lot of pressure, I mean in terms of providing really good FPS to this process. That might be another reason why the temperatures are really higher in the Poco F3 GT. So this complete test is done only using config file. Only using config file, only this complete test has been done. As you can see, friends, overall FPS is maintaining pretty good, nothing much more problems. Yes. (89 FPS and 88 FPS it's maintaining. 86 FPS and 81, 91 not bad. So I'll try to check the temperatures friends after some time, then I'll try to end up this video checking the temperatures. And finally, let's check the temperatures friends, what is happening with overall temperatures in this device while using this kind of high performance mode. Right now it of 38 degrees Celsius as well, as you can clearly see friends, not bad. That's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick complete Battlegrounds mobile game FPS drop test by using the high performance mode in the Poco F3 GT. The temperatures did increase slightly, kind of close to 40 degrees. That's it. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.